Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Waves of Mathematics, and today we are going to another question of Olympiad. So in this question you can see root 3 raised to the power x and under root of 9 raised to the power x, then again root of 81 power x equal to 81, and we need to find the value of x here. So how to find the value of x? So there are two methods for solving this question. So first of all we'll do the first method. So according to this, we know the value of the root is whole power 1 by number power is whole by 2. If we have a number 5, so we can write this root 5 whole power 1 by 2. Okay, so you can see here root of 3 power x, root of 3 power x. So can we write this? First of all, we'll write this 3 power root of 3 power x. Then again we'll do this root and root power 9x, and similarly for 81 power x, this 81 power x we have a one root and another one root also and one root outside. So you can see this 81 power x, there are 3 roots for 81 power x, 1, 2 and 3, because this root is this root is for 9 power x and 81 power x, both the numbers, and this one root is for 3 power x and 9 power x and 81 power x, all three numbers. So we'll write the 81 power x root. How to write? There are 3 times of root like this. Okay, so next we know the root value is whole power is 1 by 2. So 3 power x whole power 1 by 2. Similarly, this 9 power x is 1 root. So we'll write 1 by 2, and again 1 root whole. So we'll write 1 by 2. Similarly, 81 power x. So it is 1 by 2 and whole power 1 by 2. Again whole power 1 by 2. So 1, 2, 3 times 1 by 2 power. So 81 the right hand side. Now you can see this x multiplied by 1 by 2 by the law of exponent. A power m whole power n says, this law says a power mn, power to power. So it is 3. X multiplied by 1 by 2 is x by 2. And here you can see 9. First of all, 9x multiplied by 1 by 2, x by 2, and x by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. Okay. So similarly here 81 power x by 2 into x into 1 by 2 is x by 2, then again 1 by 2 and this 1 by 2. So we can write directly also. So we'll do the next step. 3x by 2 and 9 x by 2 into 1 by 2 is x by 4, and here you can see 81 power x by 2 1 by 2 and 1. If you multiply, so we'll get the answer, we'll get the power 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, power equals to 81. Now you can see that 3, 9 and 81. Can we write this 3 is as it is and this 9 in terms of 3 is square and power is x by 4. Similarly 81, can we write this 81 in terms of 3 power 4 is the 81 whole power x by 8 equals to 81. Now 3 x by 2 is as it is, and this square, this 2 is cancelled by this x by 4 2 times. So 3 power is x by 2. Similarly 4 cancelled by this 8, 4 to the 8. So it is 3 x by 2 equals to 81. Can we write this 81 is also in terms of 3 power 4. Now you can see here the base are same. If the base are same, the power should be added according to law of exponent. So we will add this power x by 2, x by 2 and x by 2, and here is 3 power 4 is as it is. Now you can see x by 2, how many times x by 2 repeated? 3 times. So 3 times of x by 2 equal to 3 power 4. Now in left hand side and right hand side base are same, so we will equate the powers. So 3x by 2 equals to, power is 3x by 2 in left hand side, right hand side is the power is 4. So x value is 2 is goes to right hand side, cross multiplication, 2 4s are 8 and 3 is in denominator. So this is our answer. This is the value of x. So now in this second method you can see there are 3 roots. So we will remove this root one by one. So for this we are squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. So squaring both sides. So this square is cancel out the first root. So only 3x is remaining and this rest 2 roots are left. Similarly here the 81 power 2 is as it is. After that we will remove this root, second root. So again squaring both sides. So 3x root of 9x root of 81x 81 square. So we'll do again square both sides. So this square is cancel out this root, and also remember this square is for 3x also and 9x and 81. 9x this root is cancelled, but the square is if you see the power to power rule, so it is 3 power 2x and it is 9x, and you can see 81x is as it is. Okay. Now here is 81 power 2 2 ja 4. Now again squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. So 3 2x into 9x into 81 power x 81 power 4. Again squaring both sides. So it will be, you can see 3 power 2x into 2. It is 2 2 ja 4x, and it is x into 2 is 2x, and this square is cancel the square root. So 81x and 81 4 2 ja 8. Okay. Now we'll write these terms in terms of 3. 3 power 4x is as it is. 9 we'll write in terms of 3. 3 square whole power 2x. Similarly 81 is 3 power 4 power x equals to 81 will write the in terms of 3 power 4 power 8. Now in left hand side solve the power first. 2 2 ja 4x and 4 into x is 4x, and here 4 8 ja 32. Okay. Now you can see in left hand side the base are the same, so power should be added. So it will be 3 power 4x 4x 4x. So these powers are added, so it will be 12x. 3 power 12x, and here right hand is 3 power 32 is as it is. Now base are same, so compare the power. 12x equals to 32. So x equals to 32 by 12. 32 by 12, and it is reduced by the number 4. 4 8 is 32 and 4 3 is 12. 8 by 3. So you can see both the methods, we are using both methods and the answer is same. So hope you have understood this question. Please do not miss any step and pause the video and note this question. Thank you and thanks for watching.